You you like Sindhi language or Urdu language?
What's mean?
Means our language is Sindhi. Sindhi means cha hal ahen. Say cha hal ahen.
Chahana.
Yes, that's a good. Means how are you?
Oh, okay. Don't treat me, okay? I have more friends from the Pakistan.
Thank you. And अब गेम भी तो करायो इसको रानी में थी पोकेड़ो फायदो रखो ता गालियों बुधंदो या असांजो
My life, maybe 1 week. My life. I see the crown because I met.
Yes. And मुंहिंजो नालो माशूक आहे.
Monju nalo SUI.
Yeah, good. You are the Safa VIP Sindhi.
No, I'm a good student. You know?
Yes.
Metu
Tattoo.
What's mean? How are you right?
Me? Tell me what? Which language is this?
No, I forgot. Because before Pakistan friend teach me, but I forgot. And the meaning is how are you? How to say?
No, I don't know. But our language is Sindhi, and Sindhi language is G Sindhwara Jian. Tell.
Sindhi Shira what the Jian. T2 welcome T2. Thank you.
Pardes Wara bhi Jian. Pardes Wara. Say speed, you are slow yaar.
Pardes Wala.
Latif game to kara end time Latif game करायो यार. Latif love you तो बहुत ही दो जने game कर.
What's mean?
You Yakin, you are, what is your name? My story. You are very cute and beautiful and lovely woman.
I'm Uma. No, I'm a girl, okay?
Okay, girl.
Guys.
Girl, but our Sindhi language, औरत.
Yes, I'm girl. I'm not woman, okay?
मतलब you Sindhi language, our language Sindhi, औरत.
Okay. It's okay. I'm just.
Say now you say Monju. Akhyun. Nandriyu.
Wow.
Gio, very good.
Don't teach me bad words, okay? Yes.
Your language is best in Sindhi.
Let's go.
आखिर में तो गेम करायो ज़ालमो.
Yes, everyone. My life, where are you? Nemo, welcome. Everyone, welcome.
Yes. It is you say VIP and I win.
Lose. I'm lose. Do you want one more time? Last one, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You again.
Okay, last one.
Okay, continue. You continue. You समझाएंगे उर्दू लैंग्वेज सिंधी.
Wait. Okay, viewer. I will go to Pakistan. Wait, but now I'm so poor. I don't have money. I will save money. I will go to Pakistan. Okay? Yes, I talk with my friend.
You send. You are वैसे भी पैसा ज़्यादा है. We send you money. You come Pakistan. धमाका दोल शरनाई. Because I am leader of Chadaitat.
Oh, I know money.
I have money.
Okay, you will come my life, give me lion, give me universe. I will buy the ticket, go to Pakistan.
कपड़ा कौन पातल थी मारा ही दे. दादा गेम करा ना दादा गेम तो करा खबर तो पे न के.
Whatever, you cry.
I cry you not come Pakistan.
No, because I say I know money, you cry.
I will send you money because I am Wada Amir in Pakistan, because I am leader of Chada, single man leader.
Leader is what's mean? Everyone tell me translate. Leader is mean you are a boss, alright?
Mean you Nara Chada Itahad Zindabad.
You look like okay, my friend, my sister say you look like a Jack.
You are me.
Say to him. Wait. Sindhi hi mano.
Sindhi hi Mano. Mano. Oh, same means you speak in a Sindhi language because you are beautiful in speaking Sindhi language. Chada Itahad Zindabad.
Don't treat me, okay? Don't teach me bad words. I'm a lady.
Now you tell me. Chada Itahad Zindabad.
Repeat.
Okay.
Say.
Chada Itahad Zindabad.
Why? What's happened?
You say that single man life is very good Zindabad.
Okay, viewer, let me say, okay? Okay, you listen.
Okay.
Asia Tukir Paya Kenda say her. What's mean?
What?
Asia Tukha Prior Kenda say her. What's mean? I don't know. My friend, my comment.
Insha Thunga Hind Mishooqi. क्या है ये? What is bro?
What's happened?
I don't know.
What?
You say Sindhi manu ॾाढा प्यारा आहिन माशाअल्लाह. जियो.
Hey, it's so difficult. Yes, so difficult.
You first is come in chat with me, but you are बिल्कुल English एकड़ा टुटल फुटल तबाह.
It's okay. My English is not good, so I understand your English.
Also English is not good because I language Sindhi yaar.
Yes, you don't say again Sindhi. Okay, I understand. Yes, it's okay.
Okay, now you learn me Chinese language. I learn you Sindhi language.
Yes, okay. I teach you hello. Okay.
I teach you. You teach me language.
Don't cry. You win. Don't cry. You win again. Yes.
I every time win because I am leader of single man.
Okay, I follow you. Do you want to follow back me?
Okay.
One day I will.
I will follow back you.
Okay.
Done.
Yes. Next.
Okay. Next. You game, if you my challenge game na, I have score 10,000 in my group. Yes, you are laughing. Sappa khoobsurat VIP.
What's
ni bagi ni na
Kalin, welcome Kalin.
Killing. मतलब चो मुंजी खिल
Learn.
सोनी आए.
So me I. Jen, welcome, Jen.
Yes. मतलब your laughing is so beautiful.
Really?
Yes, you say my laugh is very beautiful.
I understand because you say English. It's not say Sindhi.
You come in Pakistan, bus जो किरायो आए सेंड, then शादी धमाका हर बुरु परेशान वाए. Marriage
Okay,
you,
wait.
marriage I, marriage Pakistan to China, welcome to together.
Okay, listen. Your name is
Huh?
Mashooque.
Mashooque,
Mashooque, right?
Mashooque.
Hi, mom.
Hello.
Mashooque. You listen.
Yes. Ji.
I call my mom.
Okay.
I call my mom. It's not call you.
Oh, okay.
Mom, I will go to the Pakistan because Mashooque. Yes, when I go to Pakistan, okay? Tomorrow buy the ticket. Go to. Yes, bye.
Seriously?
My mom will give me tomorrow. Give me the money. I will go to the Pakistan. Yes.
Oh, welcome to Pakistan and Sindh ke bade because Sindh share is beautiful city.
Mr. KK, welcome. No, you remember and go to the airport and pick up me, okay?
Yes, I promise I pick you and I inshallah motorcycle Siddhu Saji Sindh.
Serious, okay? You need to give me the more flower. And I stay there and say, hello. You say, hello, welcome to.
I will with you sending flower and you, I will welcome, big welcome, protocol, big.
Wow.
Yes.
Don't cheating me. Okay, yes. One day I will go.
I never cheating. I promise you. You welcome Pakistan. I will welcome long mans and protocol flowers.
Okay. Good.
Then मेहरबानी करे कपड़ा पूरा पाए जा या कपड़ा पाए इंदे ते मुके सिंधी मारे छदींदा. You if come Pakistan, then you dress in full penning. Yes, full dress. Your dress is a little.
No.
Yes. Ade nibhagi bhi manu khilanda.
You know, where is it? You see.
You say you are ye chada. You are ye chada zahir.
When come Pakistan, he say wear the full clothes. I know.
Yes, welcome to Pakistan.
I'm not wear the sexy clothes. Don't worry, okay?
No. We will full protocol with you, inshallah, and you happy in Pakistan. I will marriage you, and you will marriage me, and China and Pakistan together with.
Oh, yes. Oh, there no one wear a short. Really? Uma, you never wear the
because
short dress.
You know, short dress, no, full dress you. Me.
Okay, if I go where? I will, short dress. It cannot, right?
That is not good. That is little Sindh mein hani tabah kare chadindai.
Okay, don't worry, because sometimes I wear more, yes.
Now say. You, I wait because I wait you. You if come Seema go India, Anju come Pakistan. Now you Chinese come for me, and you are leader of Chhadi Itad. I am leader of single man Itad. We married and long happy is.
What? We married? Hey, wait. What?
अरे निभागी खिली जो थी.
What happened? You told Mary.
Married means you because the Sachin or Seema you go India and Anju come Pakistan 2% married 2 country. You Chinese I Pakistani I married with you too. Never is media protocol news then your name my name long Pakistan all word. बुधवा शादी अब शादी थे थी पर हाणे हिनखे त ॿुधायो न ख़बर पए न हा
Simo, so your country is so no hot, alright? Because if so hot, you cannot wear the short clothes.
You if अगर you house then नंढड़ा कपड़ा पर पूरा अबो पादरण दो. If you out of visit in city hour and shopping and eating dinner lunch, so then you full dress full.
Okay. No need only like the scar. No need the scar. No need, alright.
Oh no, scarf not that is good, but your dress is full.
No need a scar. No need, alright.
No problem. But your dress is full, all full.
No, I cannot hear. Cannot hear. Cannot.
Chinese.
Oh my God, no one will up. Okay, I know.
Excuse me. Your smile, I love you every time. Customs.
So funny. Okay. I don't want to borrow you because maybe you're busy, okay? I go. You want.
You call me.
What?
You call me.
What's me?
Means you are call me.
What's me?
You come WhatsApp we कचहरी उते then शादी का program मतलब marriage program we पक्का then you come visa Pakistan and we nikah शादी you Musliman Allah.
I don't understand. Sorry.
यार ये लोग यार ये नहीं understand नहीं करीने बागी.
Diwa, help me translate. Diwa, my here have from Pakistan. Chest.
पी मर असां जी गेड़ी भरी शरी पी तू.
He asking me what you help me translate. Yes.
I say you come to visa in Pakistan. ठीक है.
Yes.
I welcome you and then you and me marriage with us एक दूसरे के साथ. Then
okay.
Your life is
Mashooque is your name.
Yes. Mashooque.
Mashooque, you can you show your under your back? I want to see is the view.
What?
I want to see your city view. Let me see and house and see where are you now?
House. I have a house, big house because I am sitting out.
No,
yes.
I mean it's not the big house of something. I mean I want to see the view. Yes, you know.
I am not in a house. I am out of house and sitting here. Then you talking. If I house my father, hand chamot.